What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you today, man. We are doing a little review video. We're doing a review video on the Viking bags, Patriot medium motorcycle Sissy Bar backpack. So let's get into it. All right, kinfolk. So Viking bags, man, sent me out this bag. This is gonna be the 23-liter Patriot medium motorcycle Sissy Bar backpack, right? So it's really cool. I looked at it on the website. I've actually got it pulled up just so I can give y'all some details as well. But let me give you a little backstory on Viking bags for myself, right? So before we get into the product itself, but I will let you know that it does come with some little instructions here as well. It just tells you how to mount the bag onto the bike. Came in this plastic bag as well. Let's get rid of that. A little backstory on Viking bags, man. So Viking bags back in the day, it was probably, babe, you remember how long ago it was when Bubba got that bag? Probably like 4 or 5 years almost. Yeah. So I actually won a contest one time, and the giveaway was a Viking bags backpack. Hard-shelled backpack, motorcycle backpack. It was more of a crotch rocket style bag, right? So myself, I did not have, I rode cruisers, so I didn't have a crotch rocket, but my son did. I ended up giving it to him, and for those of y'all that know me and know my son Bubba, he's been on a lot of my videos. He was in a motorcycle accident 3 years ago, is it? About 3 years ago, so coming up on 3 years at least. Yeah, in April. So I think, look, I've got everything that happened to him about his motorcycle accident. Yeah, I've got videos on my channel. So if you want to check it out and see exactly what happened, man, you can go check that stuff out. But the bag itself, man, we actually did after he recovered, came out of everything, Viking bags actually sent him another one of those backpacks because I gave them his story. And we actually did an after view, I guess you would call it, of what the bag looked like after his accident. So this backpack was on his back when he was riding. And again, it's a hard-shelled backpack. So his accident actually threw him off of the bike. A car pulled out in front of him. He hit it, threw him from his bike. He slid a good 30, 40 feet on his back. What we did is we actually looked at the bag after the accident compared to what it looks like with the new one, right? So that video, I'll leave that link down below as well to where you can check that stuff out. The whole point of that was to show how great this bag was made, right? He slid on the concrete, man, and that thing was held together amazingly. So when they reached back out to me and asked me if I wanted to do a review on one of their other bags, I was like, hell yeah. So Viking bags, I know their product is amazing, man, from personal experience. So now let's go ahead and get into it. So this bag, again, is gonna be called the Patriot Medium Motorcycle Sissy Bar Backpack. From the name, backpack, so it has actual backpack straps, and then it's also a Sissy Bar bag that will strap to a Sissy Bar via these straps here, right? We're gonna go show you that on Melo's bike. So I don't actually have a Sissy Bar, but Melo does. So we're gonna go show you what it looks like on the bike as well. You've got the main zipper in here. So this main zipper is gonna give you the interior bag here, right? You do have a little Velcro strap here to where you could just strap your keys to, right? So if you wanted to, you take these, strap them in there so you got keys if you need them just hanging around. Inside, you're also going to have a main pocket into here. So that pocket there goes all the way down to the bottom. So that goes there, that goes there. So you may be wondering, well, what is that little pouch looking thing there, Knuckles? Well, let me show you. So if you do have clothes in here or you got product in here that you don't want to mix with if you're on a trip and you've got extra shoes or boots or anything, at the bottom it also has another zipper with another pouch for your shoes or boots or whatever, Crocs, whatever you want to throw in there, right? So that way you can keep it separate from anything that's in your main compartment, which I think is really dope, right? Because like Melo, when we go on trips, you always have about 2 pairs of shoes, right? One for walking, one for riding. So it's good to have that. You can throw your shoes into here so it doesn't get anything that's in your main pockets dirty. We'll go ahead and zip this back up. So this zips up like this. Your little cover comes around just to kind of keep it waterproof, right? Or weatherproof, should I say. This zipper up top goes into the top of this. So when you open this up, this is kind of like a quick access pouch or pocket. If you wanted to drop stuff in there that you need quick access to while it's on the bike, your phone, wallet, other keys, whatever you want to put in there, paperwork for the motorcycle, you can drop that in there. And this has actually got a waterproof zipper on it as well. So that'll keep that stuff nice and dry if it does end up raining on you. Zippers are nice and thick, man. I mean, look at that. Nice big zippers. These actually got some rubber coatings on them. This one does not, but these do. Even on the side zippers here, you got some extra zippers, pouches on the side here. You open this up, another key holder, or to put a key ring or whatever you want. It's got a little clasp there. This can hold a water bottle in there, or you can drop other items off into another little pocket that it has there. And this is also another one of those waterproof zippers. On the other side, same thing. Another side pocket with another elastic pocket on next to it there. Then you've also got your MOLLE webbing in here, right? So you can add things to it if you wanted to. So that's all in the front of the backpack, along with some stuff here to strap to. Yeah, you got all those, which makes it nice. And then on the back side, you'll have another pocket here, right? Kind of like a laptop pocket, basically. So you can drop a laptop in there, you can drop other items in there, and it goes almost the whole depth of the backpack itself, which is really cool. It's got a nice hard Velcro locking piece there. And then on your shoulder straps, you've got little pockets here and here. And not only that, you also got the sternum strap here, right? So once you put the backpack on, if you were to take it off the motorcycle, you can actually take this, strap it onto here, make it as tight as you want. That way when you do got stuff in there, your straps don't come off. Or even if you're riding, right? So if you've got something that doesn't have a backrest, or if you don't have a Sissy Bar, you can still get this backpack and wear it as a backpack while you're riding, so your straps don't come flying off while you're riding the motorcycle. So that goes onto there. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And then you can actually take these, if you don't want to use the backpack straps, this can come undone. You can take these straps, tuck them off into here. So that comes apart there, tuck that into there. And it gets rid of them. So it's nice and sleek on the back side. And then also you got a little tote handle here as well. So that's really cool. I did not notice this, but this, yeah, for like headphones or whatever. So if you've got something in here that requires headphones, you can still run the cord out through here. Yeah, cable, oh yeah, chargers or whatever, right? So that's cool. I didn't see that on the website, so that's dope. The outside fabric, scratch resistant. You got your Viking bags logo there. This is gonna kind of have to work itself out a little bit, I guess, so it'll fold down. And then you can actually it has it to where you can lock it. So you could put a lock on these zippers to where nobody can get into them as well. So it's got the little rings on there. You can lock that down, and then that way it'll stay together and you can't get into it. So really cool, man. So now let's go ahead and walk outside and we'll show you it strapped actually onto the motorcycle. All right, kinfolk, we're out here by the bike. Melo's got the Sissy Bar on the back, right? By the way, if you're interested, this is a 2012 C50T Suzuki. She's for sale. So if you're interested, hit me up. So this is gonna go on here, right? So if you actually had like a luggage rack on the back side, you could actually mount this thing on the back side of it, right? But if Melo was gonna be using this, then this would come here on the back seat. And then all you're gonna do is there's straps that go through these little hoops here. I've already undone two. We're gonna undo this one, and then we're just gonna slide them through the hoops here, like this. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this. If your Sissy Bar is short, you may only be able to use two of them. Melo's basically got like a full Sissy Bar here. So we'll take this joker, snap it into there, tighten her down a little bit. Take this one, strap it into there. The third one, it's probably be a lot better if this bag was full, but you're basically just gonna take it, strap them down, and then we'll take our final strap, kind of loop it around, right? Just to kind of give you a safety strap, and then strap it onto there. And that joker's gonna sit pretty solid, man. Like I said, if it was full, it would probably sit a lot better. but it's not gonna go anywhere, all right? Looks really good. So the cool thing again about this thing is that you don't have to use it on a Sissy Bar. You can use it as a backpack. You can use it going to school. You can use it on just sitting on my luggage rack. I could probably strap it to that on the back of my trunk. Mello could throw it inside of the slingshot if we go on trips with that. And then she can just pack everything in there and throw it in there as well. So it's a nice universal backpack / bag, man. Sissy Bar bag as well. Really cool. Again, I want to thank Viking Bags for hooking us up with this, man, and sending it out to us. Thank y'all again. Any questions about the product? The link for the product, straight to the product, will be down below, and you can just click it. It'll take you straight to the product link. Let me show you, or let me tell you, as of right now, today is February 1st. As of right now, the bag is $119.99. With coupon is $95.99. What coupon? I'm not 100% sure. You can also pay shop pay. They take shop pay as well, so you can make some interest-free payments for the product. So this is gonna be a 23-liter bag, fits 32 cans, it says, right? So, you know, me and my natural light, if I wanted to jump in some natural light, I could fit a 30 pack in here, easy, right? It's got the Molly webbing, laptop sleeve, and backpack straps. So if you wanna check it out, man, go on to the link. It'll be down below. And if you want to watch the videos on Bubba's hard shell backpack that he got, that'll be down below as well. And then if you want to watch all of Bubba's, what happened with Bubba, and then that video of him with the Viking bag, doing the review about it as well, there'll be the playlist on all that stuff on my channel as well. So go check it out, man. But yeah, that's it. Again, Viking Bags, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. So kinfolk, until next install or next product review, your boy is out. Much love, much respect. Knuckles out.